In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this Xiaomi. You need to begin by opening settings and tapping on display section. Now click on brightness level and tap on this switcher next to automatic brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into tap menu and click on this auto brightness shortcut to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!